Alright, here we come to the elevator at Bolton Hall at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. It's a Dover Impulse. I believe it's from '88. That's a low-pitched Dover buzz I hear inside. NEA Elevators recorded this before. Could be. Not sure if we can hear the motor because of the fan. Takes a while to level. Check this out. Got the old bumpers. You have three? That's the low-sounding Dover buzz I've ever heard. And now I'll go back down to one end there. It's a pretty nice elevator. These are your Dover Impulse fixtures. Phone. Also, look at this. That's your clicky Dover Impulse. And that's your older Dover Impulse. I was expecting to see an up for green, or green for up. All right, there it goes, and that's it.